In this video, I'm going to show you how to put some useful apps on your Chromebook computer. Essentially, what we want to do is we want to place 5 apps in the shelf that is called the taskbar, which appears on the bottom of your computer screen. You can easily access these apps once they're placed on the taskbar by double-clicking on their icon. These 5 apps are very effective, and some of them come from the Chromebook OS and others from the Chrome extension apps. Let's find the first 2. The first one we want to find is Files. In order to pin it to the shelf, you want to go to the bottom left of your computer screen. There's going to be an icon called Launcher. You want to click it. Then you want to type in Files. Now, this is a file explorer app, so you can see the files on a Chrome computer or external drive, such as micro SD cards or USB drives. We can pin it on the shelf by right-clicking on the icon. Here you'll see the option to pin it to the shelf. You want to click it. And as you can see, it appears on the shelf. The next one we want to find is Text. You also want to type that up. This app is for text utility. You can use it to edit a file. You want to do the same thing by right-clicking and clicking Pin it to the shelf. You'll see that it also appears on the bottom of your computer screen. The next 3 apps that we want to install and pin to the shelf of our Chromebooks are Google Chrome extension apps. In order to install these apps, you need to open up Google Chrome's browser. In order to do this, you have to go to the bottom of your screen. At the bottom, you'll see this icon. You want to double-click it, and it will put up the browser. In order to install these apps, we need to type it into the search engine. In this case, we are going to install Secure Shell. And you want to add Chrome at the end of it. Usually, it would be the first link. However, if it isn't for you, you want to find the link that has Google Chrome Web Store at the top. You want to click Add to Chrome and Add App. And you'll see on the bottom right-hand corner, it says Download Complete. Now, we want to install Secure Shell because it's an app that allows you to remotely log in to another computer, like a Raspberry Pi, for example. Once we're done installing this app, we want to go on to the next app, which is Archive Extractor. Make sure to add Chrome at the end like before. Like the first one, it should be the first link. However, if it isn't for you, you want to find the link that says Google Chrome Web Store at the top. You want to click Add to Chrome and Add App. And you'll see it says Download Complete. The reason why we installed this app is because it's used to unzip or expand compressed files. The last app that we need to install is Google Recovery Utility. Like the first 2, it should be the first link. However, if it isn't for you, you want to find the link that has Google Chrome Web Store at the top. You want to click Add to Chrome, and you want to click Add App. And I'll see Download Complete right here. The reason why we download this app is because we will need to use this app to copy and write image files to a micro SD card. Now you see that even after we installed all these apps, it doesn't come up on your shelf. In order to make them come up on your shelf, you need to go to the launcher at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You want to click this. Now you'll see the 3 apps that we just installed: Secure Shell app, Archive Extractor, and Google Recovery Utility. In order to pin them to the shelf, you want to right-click and click Pin to Shelf. You want to do them for all apps.